Hi there, my name is Vishal from MyWeb, and in this video I'm just going to make a sidebar and a working panel of this admin dashboard. So as you can see, here is our header section where I write admin panel and make a button, and in the right corner I put some links like order, delivery, user and logout with some icons. So in this video I'm just going to make a sidebar. So I am open my text editor, which is brackets. Okay, and after the closing tag of header I take a wrapper class. I take a two section. First section name is sidebar, and the second section name is section is working hyphen panel. Okay, and I take a paragraph in this sidebar. The sidebar name is, okay, this is sidebar, this is sidebar. Okay, and in the section of the working panel I write a comment. This is our working panel. This video may be going too long because of today I covered all the things of this admin panel dashboard page. Okay, this is sidebar. Cool. Yeah, refresh. This is sidebar, and I take a heading in this. This is dashboard page. Okay, refresh. So as you can see, here is we have two text, like one is paragraph of the sidebar. This is sidebar, and here is a heading of the dashboard working panel section. So we need to divide into two parts. So let's make this. So I'm going to our CSS file, admin underscore panel.css file. Okay, and after the menu button I take a wrapper class and display. I'm using the flex directions, so I'm use the flex, and flex wrap is no wrap. Okay, press the Control S and refresh. Okay, so as you can see, our sidebar and the dashboard heading is shifted in the side edge. Okay, so what is the next thing to do that? So our first thing is to make the sidebars set with some distance and some set some width. Okay, so I'm going to the class. What is the name of the, okay, this class name of this section is the sidebar, so I write a class name dot sidebar and set a width around 300 pixel, set a background like hashtag 1D 1D 1D. Okay, press the Control S and check out in the browser. Okay, so as you can see, here is our sidebar section. Okay, and the color is white, so this is sidebar. Okay, now we need to set the height of the sidebar with the full height. So I take a minimum height is not like a normal height section, so I take a calculation of the vertical height. So CLC calc and 100% vertical height. Okay, press the Ctrl S and refresh. As you can see, the height of the in the vertical section, this is full with the 100% height. Okay, now put some padding between this thing. So I take a padding is 10 pixel. Okay, now what you need to do, the take a differentials between this both section. So I am come back to the working panel and take a container class, container fluid, and take a heading and write welcome to dashboard. Okay, refresh and take a class of the class name is display 4. Okay, and HR for take a vertical line. Okay, cool. Now what is the next thing? So we need to put some links in the sidebar with some icons. Okay, so here is your sidebar and I remove this paragraph and take a UL and a li with an anchor tag which is blank hashtag and dashboard. Okay, and take a icon class, so I class and double quotes fa dashboard. Okay, Control S to save and check in the browser. Okay, here is a little bit problem because of I can't load this icon. FAS okay, users. Okay, it's looking so good. So I'm going to open the font awesome page, the font awesome. Yeah. So let's see, it's opening. Open. And here is your icons. Dashboard. Yeah. Which is tachometer ALT. Okay, so tachometer hyphen alternate ALT and press the Ctrl S and check in the browser. Okay, now let's see. I take a class name and the UL is nav hyphen bar. Okay, now I'm going back to the CSS file and in the sidebar section we have a class name is nav hyphen nav bar. Okay, and this have a li tag. Now I write a property like text sorry list style is none, height is 50 pixel, line height is around also is same as like 50 pixel. Okay, and copy this thing like this. I copy this and take anchor tag. The color name, sorry, the color is hashtag white, and the text decoration is none, and the display is a block. Sorry, block. Refresh. Okay, and I remove the padding from the sidebar and refresh. Okay, when I hover this, make a differentiate between this thing. So I put some links. Okay, I copy this thing and I write some brand category slider images and change some things, slider images, and change the icons of these things. So okay, brand, and change the icon of this thing. So I change like brand. Okay, I find some DOLLY dolly. Maybe it's going like dolly flatted and dolly. Yeah, it's the dolly flatted. DOLLY hyphen FLATED, and that thing is only dolly. Okay, refresh. Flat bed, sorry, it's not flatted, it's a flat BED. I think I write a wrong class name, so take a full information is a FAS FA dolly FLAT. Wait, I copy this and right here paste. Okay, cool. Here is our brand and the category. Okay, and the slider images. I change the class name of this icon. It's like images. Control S to save and refresh. Okay. So now let's differentiate between these things. So we need to make a active class or a hover class. So first of all we need to make a hover class of this thing. So when I hover on the mouse, hover the mouse on the list, so dot sidebar dot nav hyphen bar li tag and hover, the background should be changed into white and the color is like hashtag 1D 1D 1D. Yeah, cool. Press the Control S and refresh. sorry, it's not A and B, I forgot, and my bad, it's a nav bar. Okay, okay, okay. Change the background color, it's DC3545. Okay, and a dot sidebar dot nav hyphen bar hover anchor tag. Okay, when I hover on the list tag, the color of the anchor tag is also changed too. So color is hyphen three sorry hash triple f refresh. Okay, cool. And take a padding of the li tag, so padding 10 pixel. I think we don't need to put the line height, so remove that. So as you can see, here is a blank padding, and I don't want to take a distance from the left, so I'm going back to the navbar. It's a sidebar and dot sidebar, and it's have a UL, and from the padding from the left is 0, and it's important. Okay, refresh, and yeah, now it's looking cool, like a professional UI of admin panel. So now I am take some other options for that, like slider images, products, orders, delivery, yeah, settings, profile, and the last thing is logout. Okay, press the Ctrl S and save and refresh. Now we need to change the icons too, so here is a product, so change the icon of the product. I write the basket. Yeah, shopping basket is similar to the products, so I write the product is basket, sorry, basket, shopping basket. Okay, shopping basket, and images, sorry, and from the orders, and from the for the orders we need to take a, like, okay, let's find on the basket, truck. Yeah, the truck is similar, and yeah, truck and the truck loading. So I put the, here is a truck, and that here is truck hyphen loading, and image slide images is uh, right, and settings, so I find the cog cogs, okay, cogs, and the profile I write a badge or a card, so I write the badg, yeah, id hyphen badge, okay, id hyphen badge, and for the logout I write the exit sign out alternate, okay, sign hyphen out hyphen alt, and press the control S and checking the our admin dashboard and refresh. Okay, okay, so here is the issue in the delivery icon. Okay, here is the equal to, so I put the replace with hyphen. Okay, cool. Now what in I think we don't need to more and more icons before making it dynamic, so let's leave it. And now come back to the working panel, and here is our welcome to dashboard panel. Okay, now so yeah, so make some widgets for this thing. So I'm again coming back and I expand it and come back after this thing, and it take a row class of the bootstrap. And okay, wait, just find some widgets from the bootstrap. So I'm going to get bootstrap and go to the documentation, write the cards, okay, here is a card, the card, we need more widgets, so I find a card group, okay, okay, I want to make some card group grid, sizing with grid row, okay, so our way to make this card way is like good. So I'm already confused about it, so sorry for my bad. Dot call md3, okay, and take a card class. In the card class we need to put a card body and write a h1 tag, sorry, s3, and write category, okay, and also in the card tag I take a class of bg hyphen danger, text white, okay, and it's a category, okay, wait a minute, uh, it's not looking good because of okay, let's see, let's say, and fix it into the CSS file. So what is the name of this class? Is it's a working panel. So I'm going to the CSS file and dot working panel and set width is 100%. Okay, press the Ctrl S and refresh. Okay, it's a category. And I don't want to take, like, I take a h5 tag and take a class name, class font weight light. Okay, press the Ctrl S and refresh. It's a category. Okay, just practice with h4 and take a horizontal row and then take a paragraph, and in this have a bold tag and write some random number. Okay, press Ctrl S, refresh. Okay, so it's looking good. Okay, I change the paragraph with h5. Yeah, here is category. Now I copy this card button. Here is our card body, and yeah, cool md3 category widget widget, and yeah, Control C and copy, and this is for all brands. All category, this is for all brands. Okay, and this is with BG success. Sorry, all brands, all brands. Again, I copy this, all users, 1500, and this is with BG primary, refresh, all users, and last one is all orders, for all orders. Control C. Yeah, then this is for all orders. All orders 700. Okay, cool. And this is into the info. Press the Ctrl S and check in the browser. Okay, cool. So here is all category, all brands, all users, and all orders. Now we again put some icons before the heading title of this. So from the all orders, yeah, what is that? From the category we have a dolly icon. So here is also put dolly icon, and here is our brand. So again a dolly flat bait, so control C, and right here control V, and yeah, here is fas dot fa hyphen users. Yeah, and here is, we need to write a delivery option. So here is a track loading icon, control C, now press the control S and check in the browser. Okay, so here is all category, all brands, all users, and all orders. So I think that is looking good. Now we need to take a table class for looking much better than before, and yeah, it's looking good. Now go back to the bootstrap website and table. Okay, and I copy this, control C, and after the row class all order table. Okay, and take a class of all hyphen order. Okay, and I paste, press Ctrl S and refresh, and take a heading before doing it. Here is all orders and H2, and write a heading all, sorry, new orders. And take a margin from the top, so empty 4, refresh, sorry, empty 5. Okay, cool. And take a horizontal row, sorry, not from the heading, after the heading. Now we need to change some things, like it's have a T head, and change the background. So class name is bg primary, text white. Okay, replace with the hashtag is order number, order name, date, and status. Okay, so here is our domain data, and take another class into the table class. Here is a table, it's a table BORDERED, table bordered, and a table hover. Press Ctrl S and check in the browser. Okay, it's order name, and take a badge, so BADGE. So here is your badge, so copy this, and in the last table data put this, and the badge is danger. mm, paid, and this is, sorry, this is unpaid, and this is success, paid. Okay, sorry, not here, refresh, paid, unpaid, and here is also warning. Sorry for my bad. And last one is warning. Okay, it's also success, and it's paid, and that status should be uh, paid status. Okay, and take another table head, and okay, I remove this scope. It's order status, and reject success, and this is successful, sorry, completed, complete, info, that information is info, and that is process, and another thing is in the danger because of it's rejected. Okay, refresh. Okay, so here is our order status, and after the date 26 2020, I just changed the date option which is similar digits, and after the date, sorry, after the order name, I take another name is quantity, okay, and here is our order name, TD is 3, and the quantity of this thing is 1, and after that is 15, and this is not order name, it's a product name. Okay, press the control S and refresh it. Yeah, and now take another pagination. So here is a pagination class. Yeah, it's looking good. Okay, so I copy this, and after the closing of the table tag, yeah, take class of order pagination. I paste that code and beautify it. Now press the Ctrl S and refresh. Okay, as you can see, it's here is our pagination tag. Now we need to change the color of background color of this widgets. So I'm going to put some custom class of this background. For the background, so here is a danger, so I write the BG orange G, okay, just for gradient, because I want a gradient background class. So press the Ctrl S and go to the admin underscore panel.css file and take a class of dot bg orange g. Okay, and background is linear gradient is like hash ff. Let me see that. From the to right, comma as ff, sorry for that, ff 660, and the second color is like similar to orange color, to right, to hashtag de3a3a. Okay, cool. Now press the Ctrl S and refresh. So you can see this color is looking good. Now let's change the color of this all brands. So change the class name. So it's a bg success, so bg green hyphen g. Okay, press the Ctrl S and take another background class, so bg green hyphen g. Background is linear gradient. It's also to right. It's also to right, and the color is hash f258 1a. It's should be 0%, and the second color is 0fb, so hash 0fb 254. Yeah. Quick edit and go to the, now press the Ctrl S and check in the browser, refresh. Okay, to bottom right. Okay, to bottom right, Ctrl S and refresh. Okay, change the color from the 5 to f8 1a. Okay, now press the Ctrl S and refresh. Yeah, it's looking good, the all brands. Now this third one is the primary. So again it's a bg primary hyphen g. Okay, just because of I want a gradient color, so dot bg primary hyphen g, and the background linear gradient to right. It's 0000f. It should be 0%, and sorry, I put the comma, and after that it's hash CC00CC, because that's define the color of hexa color of this color is 100%. Okay, sorry, yeah, this is hashtag. Now over, yeah, it's looking good. Now press the Control S and check in the browser, refresh. Now it's looking good. Also all users, now it's time to change the background color of this all orders. So I take a background of this the golden color. So I put the class vginfo2 with the golden -g. Okay, and take another class, copy and paste, and bg golden, and the to the right hashtag cbcb like 04. It's like a golden color, yeah, and the E8 A31A. Let's see, yeah, press the Control S and refresh. So now as you can see, our sidebar and the admin dashboard page is fully built with HTML CSS. Now in the next video we are going to build and work with some PHP codes in the e-commerce site. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Bye bye, see you soon, and stay with me. Happy coding.